What's up guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to use Autoresponder for Instagram. Last year in November, Facebook rolled out an update after which Instagram Direct merged into one system. It lets users to set up an autoresponder on Instagram for free. In this video, we'll take a closer look at how to do this. First, you need to make sure that you're on your web page, and then you need to go on the right upper side on the three dots line. Then choose Settings. After that, as you can see, the third selection is Business. Go and click on that. Now, as you can see, you have saved replies. Go on that. Now you have respond instantly, and you can now respond to the questions you saved often. Go on new saved reply. Now you can add a shortcut that you want to go and reply for it. For example, and the message will be, "Hi, thanks." Go on the right tick. And now as you can see, you saved your reply. But go back. If the third section where it is a business, if this doesn't appear on your settings, that means you need to switch your account to professional business account. Thanks so much guys for watching. Make sure that you hit that like and share the video, and see you soon.